Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad that you are here joining me for another video. For today's card I have a technique where I'm using foiling from Deco. I'm using the rainbow shattered glass, and when I saw some people doing cards with this, I just know that this was a must-have for me, and I can see myself use this product over and over again. I used a stencil from Panduro. That's a store, a paper crafting store that you can find in Europe. You could use whatever stencil that you have. This is just a floral one. And I'm gonna use a Deco foil transfer gel here. And I'm using my palette knife just to spread it out. The only thing I'm thinking of when I'm doing this is trying to get a smooth impression. I have done a couple of other videos here on my YouTube channel where I'm using Deco foil, and I will link them down below so you can see them if you haven't seen them yet. And the thing I have learned by doing these cards is that the smoother result, the better the transfer gel, the foiling will be. So after I was done with this and pleased with it, I will peel off all of this, and I will dip this in some water and clean it up later. I'm just cleaning my surface here so I can lay down my panel here. I use some Nina 80-pound cardstock for doing this, and you can see it's done when it's all clear. And I'm going to use some carrier sheet here, and I cut my foil down to the right size, and you can see how beautiful it is. And I'm using also a piece of white regular white paper, and this is Nina 110-pound. I just know that this fits my laminator good, and that it's gonna give me a good impression. You have to find out for yourself what's worked with your machine, and this is just an inexpensive machine that you can find in stores here in Sweden. So here it is, the result, and of course my camera died when I was doing this, so I will just give you a little peek of how it looks, and you can see later on the finished result. And I just let this cool down. I actually ran it through twice, and here you can see the beginning of the beautiful reveal of this cardstock. I hope you can see the glimmer here. So of course there was my camera going dead, and I had to switch batteries, and I also heat embossed some sentiments, just 3 strips with the sentiment congratulation, and the stamp set is from Alto New, and I just did this 3 times. And this is a thing I'm doing when I want to be having the focus on the background. This is something I really like, to just heat emboss in white on black cardstock the same sentiment over and over again, and then just popping them on to my card front here with some dimension. You can see I'm putting them kind of crooked down, and here you can see how beautiful this is. I hope you liked this card. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and leave me comments down below, and I will see you next time. Bye!